Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible celebrations, happening on March 21st. From nature lovers, to poetry enthusiasts, and cultural explorers, this day has something for everyone. And that are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's get started. First up, it's the International Day of Forests. This global celebration raises awareness about the importance of forests and sustainable management. People plant trees, organize cleanups, and learn about forest conservation. A thoughtful gift for this day could be a tree planting kit or a book about environmental conservation. What's your favorite way to connect with nature? Let me know in the comments below. Next, it's World Poetry Day. This day celebrates the beauty of poetry, and its ability to inspire and connect people. Whether you're writing, reading, or listening to poetry, it's a perfect time to appreciate the art of words. A great gift could be a beautifully bound poetry book, or a personalized poem for someone special. Do you have a favorite poem or poet? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your recommendations. Enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's the International Day of Nowruz. This ancient Persian New Year marks the arrival of spring and is celebrated with feasts, music, and cultural traditions. A unique gift for this event could be a set of traditional Nowruz sweets, or a decorative item, symbolizing renewal and prosperity. Have you ever celebrated Nowruz or a similar cultural festival? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the first April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.